So, good morning, everyone. I myself, Alamara Sayed from Powai Municipal English Secondary School, welcomes you for Maths-2 lecture. So now, as we have started trigonometry, chapter number 6 from geometry, that is Maths-2, and we have also seen some ratios, some identities. Also, we have solved practice set 6.1. So today we are going to see problem set 6. Problem set 6 we are going to solve today. From these problem set 6, we are going to see question number 1, 2, and 3. Today we are going to solve problem set 6, question number 1, 2, and 3. I have given you some homework that I think you might have done. All of you have done one question. So now we will solve problem set 6. So the first question is, choose the correct alternative answer for the following questions. So first question from this is sin theta into cosec theta is equal to what? So options are given: A 1, B is 0, C is 1 upon 2, D is root 2. These four options are given. From these you have to select the proper option. For this, what you have to do is, remember that we have seen one 90-degree triangle here. We have seen one 90-degree triangle here, and this we have given. C we have given theta. So A, B, C. We are giving this as A, B, C, and C is theta. So when we see this ratio of sine, as it is given sine theta and cosec theta. So first we will see the ratio of sine theta. As per this figure, it will be AB upon AC, that is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So AB upon AC. The same way, if we see the ratio of cosec theta, we will get the opposite of sine, that is AC upon AB. And sin theta is equal to AB upon AC, cosec theta is equal to AC upon AB. But here the multiplication is given. What is the answer for the multiplication of sin theta into cosec theta? So if we are multiplying sin theta into cosec theta, then we can see that AB upon AC into AC upon AB. This we are putting. So this AC and AC will be cut. It will become 1. And AB will be cut. It will become 1. So ratio we are getting is 1 upon 1. That means it is 1. So answer is 1. Proper option is the option A here. Proper option is A. So you have to do what you have to do is in exam. You will have to write number 1, question number 1, and proper option is A. So write proper option A in the bracket here. See student, option A. Mentioning the proper option is very important. For this option you will get some marks. You will get half mark for it. So better to write down the option there. You can do this in the rough work. You can solve this in the rough work and write the proper option in place of answer. Now we will see question number 2 from this. Question number 2. So question number 2 is given cosec 45 degree is equal to what? Cosec 45 degree is equal to what? And for finding like this answers, you can use the table method. As you know the table, you can use the table method here, cosec 45 degree, as it is mentioned there in table. Degrees are mentioned there. You have seen the in table. Degrees there, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degrees, all are mentioned there. And in that ratios are given. Trigonometric ratios are also given. So just see what is the cosec 45 degree in the table and find out it. So options are also given here: 1 upon root 2, root 2, root 3 upon 2, and 2 upon root 2. These are the options given. Cosec 45 degree is equal to what? And options are given: 1 upon root 2, root 2, root 3 upon 2, 2 upon root 3. So if you have taken the textbook with you, can you give me the proper answer for this? If you're knowing the answer, can you raise your hands? If you know the answer for cosec 45 degree, if you're knowing the proper option, can you raise your hands? Yes, students. Yes, Pawan. Yes.
मैम 2 स्क्वायर रूट
Root 2 बोलते हैं बेटा उसको. It is root 2. Very good. Cosec 45 degree is root 2. And what is the proper option for it? Option क्या रहेगा इसका proper? B. So you have to write proper option, that is B. Okay, lower your hand beta now. Okay, now third question. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? This question is given. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Question mark this, yeah? So options are A, be ready for giving the answer. If I will ask, then you can give the answer for it. Cot square theta, B, cosec square theta, C, sec square theta, and D, tan square theta. These are the options. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? It is given. So remember the identity we have seen. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And by finding, if we see, if we are taking this 1, this minus tan square theta will go this side, it will become plus tan square theta. So what is remaining here is sec square theta. Sec square theta. So which is the proper option here? Option C is the proper option. We will write here C. Sorry. We will write here proper option is C. Proper option is C. In this way, question number 3 is here. Now we will see number 4 from question number 1. Number 4. When we see at a higher level, from the horizontal line, angle formed is dash. So A, angle of elevation, B, angle of elevation, C, 0, and D, straight line. Actually, the portion that is from this 6.2 is reduced from your syllabus, and this question is as per 6.2, so it might also reduce, but just for your information, we'll do this as when you are looking, see, this is the horizontal line, and this is the axis of it, and when your eyes is here, at the time when you are watching this horizontal line from upside, or see at the higher level, when you are going at a higher level, the angle which is formed is known as angle of elevation. And when your eyes are here and you are watching downwards, and the angle which is formed is known as angle of depression, angle of depression. This is angle of depression. This is angle of elevation. When you're not watching anything, then it is 0. When you are watching straight, then it is a straight line. So what is given here is when we see at a higher level. So at a higher level is given. When we are watching at a higher level from the horizontal line, this is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. So from this horizontal line, when we see upwards at a higher level, so the angle which is formed, it is known as angle of elevation. Proper option here is A. Proper option is A. So in this way, we have completed question number 1 of problem set 6. Just you can see it again. Choose the correct alternative. So we have seen here sine theta into cosec theta is equal to what is given. Option 1, then 0, 1 upon 2 and root 2. These options are given. And as we know that sine theta is equal to AB upon AC and cosec theta is equal to AC upon AB. That is opposite upon hypotenuse and hypotenuse upon opposite. So after multiplying this sine theta into cosec theta, what we will get is sine theta into cosec theta, AB upon AC into AC upon AB. So it will be cut. So ratio will be 1 upon 1, that which is equal to 1. The proper option is A. Now, second, cosec 45 degree is equal to what? 1 upon root 2, B, root 2, C, root 3 upon 2 and T, 2 upon root 3. The given option. Now, as per the table, cosec 45 degree is root 2. Value of cosec 45 degree is root 2. So we will write the proper option as C. And third one, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? So, options are cot square theta, cosec square theta, sec square theta and tan square theta. As we know the identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And when we are finding sec square theta here, so this minus tan square theta will be shifted to right hand side, so it will become 1 plus tan square theta. So proper option is C here, sec square theta. And in this question, when we see at a higher level from the horizontal line, angle formed is dash. So if we are from horizontal line, if you are watching upstairs at the higher level, it will become angle of elevation, and if we are watching down, it will be angle of deflation. So here at higher level is given, we have chosen angle of elevation here. Okay, now we will go to question number 2. This we have completed question number 1 of problem set 6. Now we will go to question number 2. Number 2. If sine theta is equal to 11 upon 61, find the values of cos theta using trigonometric identity. Now the question is what? If sine theta is equal to 11 upon 61, find the values of cos theta using trigonometric identity. See here students, we have seen 3 methods were there, but we can't use here as sine theta is given 11 upon 61, so we can't use here table method. Table method is not used here. So now 2 methods are remaining, triangle method and identity method. But here triangle method is not mentioned. The triangle method is not mentioned. What method is mentioned is trigonometric identity. Trigonometric identity is mentioned, so we will have to solve this by trigonometric identity method only. For solving trigonometric identity method, we will have to see where sine and cos both are used. First, you will write the value of sine theta, which is equal to 11 upon 61. This is given. So now, what you have to do is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This identity you might be knowing. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This we have learned. So now put the value of sine in this, that is 11 upon 61 square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 11 upon 61 whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now, after bringing cos square theta out, 1 will remain as it is, and this plus 11 upon 61 whole square will become minus 11 upon 61 whole square. So, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 11 into 11 will be 121, and 61 into 61 will be 371. Finding the squares of both, that is 11 square and 61 square, we will be getting 121 upon 3721. So, cos square theta is equal to, here by division of 3721 minus 121 upon 3721. After getting this, cos square theta is equal to, what you will get is 3600 upon 3721. This is the value of cos square theta. Now what we have to find is cos theta, which is equal to under root 3600 upon 3721. So what we will get, the cos theta value will be, is the 3600 is the root of 60 and 3721 is the root of 61. So in this way we are getting the answer. Cos theta, therefore you can say that cos theta is 60 upon 60. Now see again, sin theta is equal to 11 upon 61. This ratio is given, and you have to find the value of cos theta using trigonometric identity. So for this, what we have to do is sin theta is equal to 11 upon 61. It is already given. Use the identity here where we will get both sin as well as cos. Sin and cos both are used in this. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So by using this identity, you can find easily the value of cos. So sin square theta is 11 upon 61 the whole square here plus cos square theta as it is equal to 1. Cos square theta as we have to read out is equal to 1 as it is. This plus 11 upon 61 whole square will shift here and will become minus 11 upon 61 the whole square. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus square of 11 is 121 and square of 61 is 3721. Cos square theta is equal to, by dividend we can say 3721 minus 121 upon 3721. So cos square theta is equal to 3600 upon 3721. This is the value of cos square theta. So for finding cos theta, we have to take this in root under root 3600 upon 3721. So we will get value of cos theta as 60 upon 61. Any doubt in this question, students? Just revise the formula of this identity, and I will give you a few seconds. So if you have any doubt, you can ask it from this question. Do you have any doubt? Those students who are having the doubts in this question can raise your hands. If you have any doubt, you can raise your hands. Otherwise we will move to the next question. Okay, now we will see question number 3. We have completed question number 2. Now we will go to question number 3. If you don't have doubt, then we will go to question number 3. See question number 3. So in this question, if tan theta is equal to 2, find the values of other trigonometric ratios. Other trigonometric ratios. Okay. So now here in this figure, in this question, if tan theta is equal to 2, then find the values of other trigonometric ratios. This is given here. Now we are having one value of 10, that is 2. So for this, we will have to solve this question first by using triangle method. We will solve this question first using triangle method. So first, we will draw triangle of 90 degree, theta, this is A, B, C. So from the figure, from this figure, we are having tan theta. So ratio of tan theta is AB upon BC. From using this figure, we can say that tan theta is AB upon BC, which means opposite upon adjacent. Opposite side upon adjacent side, that is AB upon BC. So, but in the question, what tan theta is given? But tan theta is equal to 2, it is given. That means denominator is 1, 2 upon 1. Therefore, we can say that AB is equal to 2K, BC is equal to 1K, or you can write K also. Then, as we are having the value of AB and BC, or we have to find AC, hypotenuse. And as we know that if we are having two sides and we have to find one side, then we use here Pythagoras theorem. So write down in right angle triangle ABC by using Pythagoras theorem will come AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now we have to find AC square. So you are knowing, so you are having the value of AB and you are having the value of BC. AB means 2K square plus BC, it is 1K, or you can write it as K square. This is AC square. Now AC square is equal to 2 to the 4 and K square of K as it is K square plus will also be K square as it is. Now, after adding this, you will get it as AC square. Value of AC square you will get 5K square. For year 4 and year 1. That is 5K square. This is the value of 5 AC square. So find after for finding AC is equal to under root 5K square. Under root 5K square. Therefore, you can see that AC is equal to this root will be as it is, as we don't have any root of 5. So, and K square will become K. So AC is under root 5K. So now see here, by using this we have find AC. Now after getting AC, you will have to find this in the ratios. Sin theta is equal to AB opposite upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC, which is equal to 2K upon root 5K. So this K will be cancelled. Remaining is 2 upon root 5. This is sin theta, value of sin theta. Now cos theta is equal to BC upon AC, that is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So it will be K upon, yes, Saundarya. Yes, beta, what's the problem? Okay, Saundarya, huh? Ask your doubt. You can ask your doubt, beta. You have raised your hands. What's your doubt? Saundarya, Udiyar, and Sakshi Ravi. You have raised your hands. What's your doubt? You can ask now. Or by mistakenly you have raised your hand. Okay. So now cos theta is equal to, we see BC upon AB, which is equal to, as we are having 10 here, you already have tan theta. The ratio of tan theta is 2 upon 1. So we have to find other ratios. So sin theta, cos theta, after that tan is there, but we have tan theta. So you will see cos theta, which is equal to BC upon AB, that is K upon 2K. So K will be cancelled and it will be 1 upon 2. The same way, sec theta is equal to AC upon BC, which will be equal to root 5K upon K. K will be cancelled. It will be root 5. And cosec theta is equal to AC upon AB, which will be equal to root 5K upon 2K, will be root 5 upon 2. Root 5 upon 2. So in this way, you can solve this question by using triangle method. You can solve this question using triangle method. Do you have any doubt in triangle method now? Students, if you have any doubt in triangle method, you can ask me now. If you have any doubt in triangle method, you can ask me now. Otherwise, I will go to identity method now. Any doubt using triangle method? Or shall I go to next method, that is identity method here? Okay, now in this we will see identity method. We'll just see the identity method here. If you don't have any doubt, we will go to identity method. This we have finished triangle method. Now we will see identity method of this sum only. This sum should be solved by two methods, that is triangle method and identity method, or we can say trigonometric identities, using trigonometric identities. So as we have the value of 10, and if we are using 10 and cot ratio together, will be easy. So 10 theta into cot theta is equal to 1. This ratio we can use. Therefore, we can say that tan theta is 2 into cot theta is equal to 1. Therefore, we can say that cot theta is equal to 1 upon 2. See the ratio which we have got here, cot theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Same ratio we are getting by identity method. Then next ratio we will take of sec and tan. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This ratio we will take. Therefore, we can see that sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to 1 plus 2 square. As value of tan is 2, so we will see that 2 square will be equal to 1 plus 5. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 will be equal to 5. And this is of sec square theta. So we will have to see what is the value of sec theta. So sec theta will be under root 5. This is the value of sec theta. So we are getting a sec theta also. Now remaining is cos theta. So we are having the value of cos sec. So we will use this in identity. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Therefore, we can say that cos theta into root 5 is equal to 1. Therefore, if we are taking this cos theta out, then 1 upon root 5 will be the answer. After that, sine is remaining. Remaining is sine. So, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This identity we can use here. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, which will be equal to 1 minus 1 upon root 5 the whole square, which will be equal to 1 minus 1 upon 5. So, after using the ratio, again what you will do is sine square theta as we have seen, sine square theta is equal to then 5 minus 1 upon 4. 5 minus 1 upon 4. Sine square theta is equal to 4. Sorry, 5 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to 4 upon 5. This is the ratio of square theta. Sine theta will be equal to under root 4 upon 5. So, this will be equal to sine theta will be equal to 2 upon root 5. 2 upon root 5. Here we are getting sine theta also. Now, we can also use this to find sine theta. Here again one identity you can use for finding the sine theta, that is sine theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. This you are knowing. So Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2 upon root 5. And this, if we are getting like this, then we can inverse it. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 2 upon root 5. In this way, you are getting the answers. Okay, students, I will again explain you this question. I will explain you this question again. So, see, if tan theta is equal to 2, find the values of other trigonometric ratios. So from this figure, as we know, this is the right angle triangle, this is theta here. Tan theta is given, that is AB upon BC. But as per the question, tan theta is equal to 2, so it will be 2 upon 1. Therefore, AB is equal to 2k and BC is equal to 1k. And we have to find your AC. So in right angle triangle ABC, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB, value of AB is 2k, so 2k square plus value of BC is k or 1k, k square. So here AC square is equal to 4k square plus 1k square. AC square will be 5k square and AC will be under root 5k square. Therefore, AC is root 5k. After getting this value of AC, what we will do is we will substitute these values in ratios. That is sin theta is equal to AB upon AC. AB upon AC is equal to 2k upon root 5k. K will be cancelled. Remaining is 2 upon root 5. In the same way, cos theta which is equal to BC upon AC. So it will be equal to k upon root 5k, which will be kk will be cancelled and remaining is 1 upon root 5. Then cot theta is equal to BC upon AB, which is equal to k upon 2k is equal to 1 upon 2. Sec theta is equal to AC upon BC is equal to root 5 k upon k is equal to root 5. Cosec theta is equal to AC upon AD is equal to root 5k upon 2k is equal to root 5 upon 2. These values we are getting by triangle method. Now we can solve using identity method. So in identity method, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. This identity we know. So we can use this as we having value of 10. So tan theta is equal to 2 and cot theta we have to find. So 2 into cot theta is equal to 1. Cot theta is equal to 1. This multiplication will become divide. So it will come as 1 upon 2. The same way, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus 2 whole square. 2 square is equal to 1 plus 2, that is equal to 5. And this is the value of sec square theta. So we have to find sec theta, which is equal to root 5. The same way, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So cos theta into root 5 is equal to 1. So cos theta is equal to 1 upon this multiplication sign will, when root 5 is shifted here, it will change to divide, that is 1 upon root 5. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 upon root 5 the whole square, that is 1 minus 1 upon 5. So we will get sin square theta is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 5. Sin square theta will be 4 upon 5, but this is square. So we'll have to find sin theta, which is equal to root 4 upon 5. And so sin theta is equal to 2 upon root 5. Sin theta, you can also find the ratio of sine using this identity, that is sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. That is sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. And therefore, sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2 upon root 5. When like this equations come, that means you have to invert it. So therefore, sin theta is equal to 2 upon root 5. This way, we have completed question number 1, 2, and 3 of problem set 6. So now 5 minutes are there, students. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. You can ask me the doubt. Yes. Shakir Ansari, yes. You can ask now.
टीचर
Shakir, हाँ बोलो.
टीचर फर्स्ट वाला का स्क्रीनशॉट लेने.
फर्स्ट वाले का स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है बेटा. एक मिनट. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.
थैंक यू टीचर. हो
Welcome.
गया.
Okay. Now anyone any doubt? You want to see this is question number 2? Yes. हाथ lower your hand बेटा. Shakir. Question number 2. If you want, you can take this as this screenshot also. This is of question number 2. Question number 2. First we have completed, second we have completed. Now, question number 3 also you have seen. This is question number 3. This is triangle method, identity method. This is the first part of it, and remaining is this. I hope students all might have understood question number 1 to 3 as Ravi. Yes. Ravi, what's your doubt, beta? Ask.
नो टीचर डाउट नहीं है.
हाँ तो तुमने हाथ रेस किया है ना, बोलो. हैंड रेस किया ना तुमने. क्या समझा रही थी? क्या नहीं समझ रही?
सेकंड वाला.
So lower your hand. Lower your hand if you don't have any doubt. Okay.
टीचर एक्सप्लेन कर दो सेकंड वाला.
सेकंड वाला चाहिए तुमको?
हाँ सेकंड वाला.
ठीक है. Okay, now see here. Second जो है वो क्या है? If sin theta is equal to 11/61, find the values of cos theta using trigonometric identity. यहाँ पर जो है वो हम लोग टेबल मेथड का यूज नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम लोग ट्रायंगल मेथड का यूज कर सकते थे, लेकिन यहाँ पर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी से बोला हुआ है, तो इसके लिए यहाँ पे ये sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू 11/61 दिया है. तो इसके लिए यहाँ पे हमने जो आइडेंटिटी यूज की है वो sin थीटा है, हमारे पास cos फाइंड करना है. इसके लिए sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 ये आइडेंटिटी का यूज किया. दैट इज sin स्क्वायर थीटा, sin का वैल्यू दिया है 11/61, सो 11/61 स्क्वायर प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. cos स्क्वायर थीटा को अगर बाहर लाया तो ये प्लस 11/61 होल स्क्वायर माइनस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, माइनस 11/61 होल स्क्वायर. तो cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस इसका 11 का स्क्वायर है 121, 61 का स्क्वायर है 3721. सो 1 माइनस 121/3721. cos square theta is equal to, by dividend we can say that 3721 minus 121/3721. So cos square theta is equal to 3600/3721. This is cos square theta. अभी cos theta का अगर आपको फाइंड करना है तो टेक रूट 3600/3721. तो इसका रूट निकालेंगे हम तो cos theta will be 60/61. समझा? Okay sir, now shall I finish?
Okay, ma'am, you have completed?
Yeah, that's complete.
Okay, ma'am. Wind up, please.
Thank you, sir.